Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values for RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I'm taking the program in edit mode. And as usual, firstly, we are declaring three variable, and these variable you can declare by referring the IBM official website. And once variable declaration is done, then you can use your command. So to use the command, you can write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4. So after you press F4, it will take you to this screen where we are supposed to pass two parameter. First is the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to store it. Okay, now if you want to know more about this field, then you can press F1 here. So as soon as you press F1 on this field, it will take you to this help screen. So what is help screen? There you will find all the description of for the all values that we can retrieve from the system. So in short, you can say that it will provide a description of the system value that we can use then that we can retrieve with the help of RTVSYSVAL command. Okay, so from here you can refer all those details like what value you are getting, and you will get an idea of what output we are retrieving. Okay, so once you got the description, then you can directly use it in your program. So these are the value that we have already discussed in our previous sessions. So now I am taking you to that value that we are going to discuss today, which is QPWD rules. So here it is specified, it specifies the rules used to check whether a password is formed correctly or not. Okay, so it will tell that rule. Changes made to the system value take effect the next time password is changed. So there are lots of value that we can retrieve from here. So like star PWDs as well, and description is also given here. Then all CRT, CHG, CHR, LMT, AJC. Likewise, there are lots of values that we can retrieve from this particular value. Okay, these are the possible outcomes. Okay. So you can refer it from here, and then you can use it. Now the second value we are going to discuss is QPWDVLDPGM, which means password validation program provide the ability for for a user written program to do additional validation on password. The specified password validation programs are called from CHG PWD command and the QSys CHGPM PW API if the new password has passed all the other tests specified in the password control system values. Okay, so other description also you can go through it. And the third value we are going to discuss is QPWDWLMT, which means maximum amount of time in seconds allowed for password down system star immediate. Okay, this is the time used to wait for power down to complete the normal after either of the following happens. First, a power down system command will star immediate specified for the how to and option parameters entered. Second, a password PWR DWN SYS command is star CNTRLD specified for for the how to and option parameters and entered, and the time specified for the controlled and delay parameter has ended. Okay, so now you got the information for the password related fields. Now you can directly copy it here, paste it here, and then simply hit enter. So likewise we are retrieving the other two values. So once these three lines got executed, we will be able to retrieve the value, and then we are simply printing it. So for printing, you are using sndpgmmsg command. So just write sndpgmmsg, then press F4. Here you can pass the variable, and if the variable is of type decimal, then you have to convert it to character using %char built-in function. Okay, because this field is only this command only accept the character value. Now we are done with the program, so let's compile it and see what output we are getting here. It is compiled successfully. Now I am calling it. First password is star PWDSYSVAL, second is star none, and third is 900. Okay, so this is how we utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system values related to password. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.